Hi lovelies, welcome back to Create with Chidex. My name is Chidema, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I made a cake that looks like a box of chicken strips. So let's get started. To make the box for my chicken, I designed a template and printed it out on Edible Wafer paper. So I've cut it out, and now I'm just going to moisturize the wafer paper because it's a bit dry before folding it. I'm doing this by just passing it over a bowl of hot water. This particular step is very important because if I fold the paper without moisturizing it, I would rip the paper at the folds. Now I'll start folding the paper. I'm placing the wafer paper over the bowl of hot water again while I start folding in the flaps gently. Now I'm going to glue the flaps together to form the box. I started by using corn syrup as my glue, but I didn't quite like it, so I moved on to using water instead. After gluing the box, I noticed that you could see through it, so I decided to cut some panels the same size as the sides of the box and then glue them on. These panels also give the box a bit more stability. I'm going to make my chicken pieces using cake dough, the same stuff you use for cake pops. So I'm crumbling my cake, then I'll add some buttercream and mix it in. My cake dough is ready, so I'll start molding small random shaped pieces. When I finish molding the cake chicken pieces, I'll put them in the fridge until I'm ready to use them. Then I'll color some fondant using Sugar Flakes edible gel color in autumn leaf, dark brown, and some cocoa powder. So here I'm just rolling out the fondant. Then I'll bring out my cake pieces from the fridge and start covering each of them with the fondant.
You were fine all this time, I was inside out. Put my heart in your hands till it came back round. Didn't think that you'd fallen so deep. Didn't know.
Now for the battered chicken look, I'll crush up some cornflakes, mix in a bit of cocoa powder, then start coating my cake pieces in it. First I'll drop the cake piece in the bowl of crushed cornflakes. Then I'll put a bit of the cornflakes in some foil paper. Then place the cake piece inside the foil paper and wrap it and press it together.
Upside down, had a flame in your eyes.
After coating the cake chicken strips in cornflakes, I would arrange them inside the box.
Got lost in my voice knows too late to return.
And there you go. Our KFC chicken strips cake is done. And now I'm going to cut it. I've now come to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to like it, share it, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.